Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, we are going to install the free plugin to enable the WooCommerce Lucky Wheel, or you can say the WooCommerce Spin Wheel on your WooCommerce website. Let me show you the example of the WooCommerce Lucky Wheel. Now here on the website, in the bottom right hand corner, you will see this pop-up icon, the Lucky Wheel icon. I'm going to click on it and it will open WooCommerce Lucky Wheel. Now all I need to do is enter the email address and the name, and after that I can click on this button and it will start spinning. Here you can see that I have 6 different slices: not lucky, 5% discount, 200 rupees discount, 300 rupees discount, 10% off, 10% discount. So these are the different settings that I have already created for this Lucky Wheel. You can customize them. If you already have some coupons created, you can use them also, or you can offer different discounts in the slices. Now the free version of this plugin has some limitations. You can create only 6 slices. If you want more slices, you can go with the pro version also. Now let me show you the example here. I'm going to enter the name and some dummy email address, and I'm going to spin the wheel now. And here you can see that I have got this option, rupees 300 off. Congrats, you have won rupees 300 off discount coupon. The coupon was sent to the email address that you had entered to spin. Check out now. So if I click on it, it will go to the shop page. Now here you can also set up the probability of each slide. For this spin wheel, I have set not lucky 45%. Out of 100 spins, it will show the not lucky slice 45 times. Maximum time it is going to show not lucky. Here you can have the control over the probability of each slice. So this is one of the free WooCommerce Lucky Wheel plugin that we are going to install in this video. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and we are using WooCommerce on this website. Now we are going to install the free plugin that will give you an option to create the WooCommerce Lucky Wheel, or you can say a spin wheel. Let's go to the plugins and click on add new, and here search for WooCommerce Lucky Wheel. So here you will see many different plugins for WooCommerce Lucky Wheel. We are going to install this one, the Lucky Wheel for WooCommerce Spin a Sale, and it is developed by Villa Theme. Now if I search for WooCommerce Spin Wheel, here you will see another option, WP opt-in wheel, and it has been installed on more than 2000 websites. This is also a good option for the Lucky Wheel or the spin wheel. However, in order to use the free version, you will need to sign up with the MailChimp, and you will need the MailChimp API key in order to use the free version of this plugin. So I'm going to install this one. It does not need any API key, or it does not require the MailChimp account. If you want to integrate, you can integrate. However, in order to use the free one, you do not need it. So let's go to this one, Lucky Wheel for WooCommerce, and click on install now. I'll show you the more details. So this is the plugin information. So definitely there are some limitations for the free version. If you go with the pro version, you can have added features with the pro version. Let me show you the premium version. And the price of the premium version is $30. So this is the page, and you can see the demos also. Here you will see the features of the free plugin, 6 wheel slices. So you will get only 6 slices in the free version. If you want to increase the slices, you can go with the pro version. Wheel level, winning probability, you can select the winning probability on each slide. Pop-up intent, lucky wheel icon. So these are the options for the free version. So let's go to the page. Let's go to the plugins again and click on activate. Plugin has been installed. Now we have activated it. Alright, so the plugin is activated, and here you will see the option WC Lucky Wheel. Click on it. Now these are the general settings. Enable. So we need to enable it. Enable mobile and Ajax endpoint. We really do not need to make any changes here. Times spinning per email, it will be 1. So one email can attempt only 1 spin. If you want to increase it, you can increase it. Delay between each spin of an email, 24 hours. Let's consider that I have used one email to spin the wheel. I can do it for one time, and if I want to do it again, I'll need to wait for 24 hours. So the spin wheel will be available after 24 hours for the same email address or the account user. Now let's go to the second option, that is pop-up. Custom pop-up icon. You will need premium for these options. Now the pop-up position will be bottom right. So these are the options available: bottom right, bottom left. So I'm going to keep it on bottom right. Select intent. So pop-up icon or automatically show the wheel after initial time. So as of now, I'm going to set it on pop-up icon. Initial time 1 to 5. Hide pop-up icon. Leave it as it is. If customers close and not spin, show pop-up after 1 day. So if customer has opened the pop-up but they do not have spin the wheel, so without spinning the wheel they close the pop-up, so in that case you can show them the pop-up after 1 day. When finishing a spin, show pop-up again after 24 hours. So once they used it, they will see the pop-up again after 24 hours. Now show only on a home page, show only on blog page, show only on shop page. So I'm not going to select this option. I want them to see the pop-up on all the pages. So leave it as it is. Let's wheel background. So this is the background color. Here you can see the background color. If you want to change it, you can change it. If you want to add image, you can add image. Background effect, for this you will need Pro. Text color, this will be the text color, and this is the content. Now here you will see button spin, try your lucky, make it luck. Spin color. So as of now, I'm not going to make any changes here. We will do it later. Next one is custom fields. Enable field name. Enable field name on mobile. Make it required. And for this you will need Pro. Wheel settings. So this will be the customization part. Pointer position at the center. Here you can see preview. So this is how the wheel will look. These are the colors. And these are the Pro features: wheel center, background image, wheel border color. So we cannot change it in the free version. Make all wheel slices visible on desktop. Upgrade features. Now here you can see the 6 slices that you can use on the wheel, and you can customize them. And this is the winning probability. So first option is none, that means nothing, not lucky. So here customer will not get anything, and the probability of this slice is set to 25%. So at the end you need to calculate these 6 slices and make them 100%. Now the second option is percentage discount, and this is 5% discount, and probability is 15%. The third one is none. You can change it to another, let's say fixed product discount, and product discount will be rupees 200, and probability I'm going to make it 15%. The fourth one, I'm going to change it to fixed card discount, and I'm going to make it, let's say 300 rupees, and probability will be 15% again. Now it shows 90% is done, 99% is done. We will need to add one more. Here the fifth one is none, so I'm going to change it to percentage again, and I'm going to make it 10%, and probability leave it on 15%. And fixed card discount is the last one. Let's make it 250 rupees, and remaining is 15% again. So you can have 100%. If you want to change it, you can make it this one, the non-lucky, make it 45%, and I'm going to reduce the other options so that it will be at the end it should be 100%. Let's make this one 15%. Okay, so 45% times it will give you the option non-lucky. Here you can change the colors also, so I'm going to click on it, change it to this one. Next, whatever color combination you want, you can change the color combination. Okay, let's preview the wheel. So this is how it will look. Now here you can see that 250 rupees off, 10% off, rupees 300 off, and 200 rupees off, 5% off. So we have two different percentage discount here. This is the one 5% and the other one is 10%. Let's save it. Now here inform result. So this will send an email to the customer with the details of the result. You can see Lucky Wheel coupon award. This will be the email subject, email heading, and this is the information inside the email. This will be the name of the person, the coupon code, date expires. Now if you already have coupons created, then you can select the coupons that are already existing. Here you can see the option is existing coupon. So I'm going to use one of the existing coupon. So I'm going to change the last one here to existing coupon, and I already have some coupons created. Here under marketing, I already have some coupons. So these are the coupons. So I'm going to use easy 10. So here I'm going to select existing coupon, and here I am going to search for easy. Click save and preview the wheel. Okay, so here it is not showing the coupon amount because we have not mentioned it here. So it is a percentage discount. Let's go back. So here I can mention 10% discount. Let's preview the wheel, and here you will see 10% discount. So let's save it. Now here next option is unique coupon. So these are the basic settings. If you want to make changes, you can make changes. Email API. If you want to enable MailChimp, you can enable the MailChimp, and you can connect your Lucky Wheel with the MailChimp so that you can collect the email addresses. And if you want to use those email addresses for marketing, you can use them. Now let's see how does this work on the actual website. So I'm on the website now. Let me refresh it. Now here you will see the icon is there, the wheel icon. Now if I click on it, here you will see spin to win. So these are the options that we have created, and we have 6 slides here. So I'm going to enter the details here, and I'm going to use the dummy email and click on try your luck. The wheel is spinning now. And it says not lucky. So it's going to show this not lucky 45% of the time. All right, so it's done for the one time. Now if I can use it next time after 24 hours for the same email address. Now it is not going to show me this icon here. All right, so these are the basic settings of the WooCommerce Lucky Wheel. If you want to add more slices and if you want more customization for the WooCommerce Lucky Wheel, you can definitely go with the pro version of this plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.